Okay, class, this is my cousin's candle line page. She has regular size candles, she has mini size candles. She also has a mist that you can use in the air, and then she also has an picnic candle, so a big tub candle. All of her candles are made with um, coconut wax, so they're very good for the environment. They're better candles. Do not compare these to Bath and Body Works because again, they are fully coconut wax candles. So it's better for you and better for the environment. We can go in. She has classic collection. She has the mini. She has the luxury matte mist. Let's see if we can choose one. I think the internet is taking a while to pull up. But again, if you go to her website, you see all the different um, candles shown. Let's say, let's go new arrivals. Let's shop.